How do you stop YouTube from autoplaying videos when you're just scrolling or after one ends? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn off autoplay, both for regular video playback and while browsing your feed. Whether you're on data or just want peace and quiet, this setting puts you back in control. Stick around, and by the end of this tutorial, autoplay will be completely off. Start by opening the YouTube app on your phone and tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Next, tap the gear icon at the top right to open settings. Scroll down and select Video and Audio Preferences. Right at the top, you'll find the option labeled Autoplay Next Video. Switch it off to prevent the next video from automatically playing after the current one ends. Now scroll down a bit further and tap on Playback in Feeds. Set this to Off to stop videos from autoplaying while you scroll through your home screen or subscriptions. That's it. You've successfully disabled autoplay on YouTube. Now you can scroll or finish watching a video without being bombarded by the next one starting on its own. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.